All right, guys, here's a quick update on the Xiaomi Mi 8. Just like the Poco phone, if you change the region to India, it'll give you the facial recognition, and it's supposed to be really fast. So I wanted to set it up real quick for you on video here. And I'm going to go ahead and do it real quickly. All right. It adds the face so fast. It's unreal. So let's see if it actually works. Wow, that is quick. It's almost like it doesn't work, but let's see here. Yeah. Yep. I tilted towards my face. That is the fastest unlock ever. And just look up here. You'll see the proximity, a little red light like the iPhone. Wow. So I wanted to do a quick video. It's just crazy, you know, how fast that facial recognition is. As soon as I changed it to the India market, though, it immediately gave me updates and, you know, things like that. So I really been enjoying this phone, man. Everything is good about it so far. I'm running a special launcher and a special skin. I'll give you that later on tonight in the follow-up video. Depending on when you're watching this, it's already ready. But just wanted to give you a quick video on the facial unlock. Let's see that one more time. Gonna point it away from you and look at it. And I'm behind the camera, folks. So that lets you know how fast this thing really is, man. It's crazy. I'll have you an updated video on the GoPro Hero 7 Black as well. I bought some new gear to help with doing videos here in the office and around town when I'm in the car and things like that. I bought some nice stuff, man. So I'll give you that later. But what do you guys think about the facial recognition on this thing? I think that's probably faster than the OnePlus, man. Wow, that's crazy. Let's see. Yeah, that's faster than the OnePlus. Let's do it at the same time. Oh, no, OnePlus got it. Let's light them up. And no, it got it that time. Light them up. Yeah, I think it's a little faster than the OnePlus. And it's got to be fast. Now, before you start saying, oh, it ain't that secure, though, Jay. Listen, man. Yeah. Anyway, this phone is hotness. And look for a follow-up video soon, man. It's your man, Jay. See you in the next one. Uh-oh, bumpy cam, slidey cam. Slide them out. Might as well just slide it on down.